Hi guys, welcome back to another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to look at how we can use mate references to speed up our assembly process. Traditionally, when we have an assembly and let's say we want to add a fastener, in this example we're going to look at a screw. Usually you bring that in and then you try to get in there, we rotate it, we select the faces and we add a concentric mate, and then you want to add a coincident mate with the bottom. So you go ahead and you put this in there, adding that coincident mate. So now our screw has two mates in there, one concentric and one coincident. This is the traditional way of adding mates and adding fasteners. Let's see how we can use mate references now to help us speed up this process. So to do that, let's open up our part, the screw that is, and here under reference geometry we have the option to choose mate reference. As you can see, the dialog box opens up here and we have to choose a primary reference entity. In this case, what I'm going to do is choose this edge over there, leave the mate type as default and leave the direction as any. I go ahead and save this. And now heading back into the assembly, let's see how mate references can help us now. So same part, bringing it in, it just snaps into place right there. Showing that once again, it understands where the hole is and it positions itself correctly. Now if I wanted to copy and fill up the last one, I can select the thing, hold down Control, and as you can see, it snaps into place. If we go ahead and open any of these newer ones we inserted, we can see that just with a drag and drop, it's added both the concentric and the coincident mate. Over a large project, such time-saving tips can help us save a lot of time for ourselves and the company. Thank you for watching.